From the second a crime is committed, traces of the crime are left in the environment. The location where a crime took place can be full of physical evidence, which can link the crime to the criminal and ultimately assist the police in their investigation. This location is known as the crime scene. Crime scenes can be anywhere: indoors, outdoors, at business premises, domestic dwellings, or vehicles, and no two are ever the same.
The work of a crime scene investigator, or CSI, is a key part of processing a crime and obtaining evidence. For this reason alone, the skills they need and the procedures they follow are of vital importance. Before a CSI even enters the crime scene, they need a full set of appropriate protective clothing. The full crime scene suit, sometimes called a bunny suit, consists of boot covers, gloves, a hood, and a mouth guard. This clothing will protect the CSI and ensure they do not contaminate the crime scene. Crime scenes often occur outside, and a police officer is usually the first person at the scene. However, the police officer should not disturb the crime scene and should instead set up a cordon to protect the evidence contained within. When the crime scene investigator enters the crime scene, they will use the common approach path. This is the path from the edge of the cordon to the focal point of the crime scene, and in most cases, stepping plates will be used along this path to preserve the evidence. When available, these stepping plates should be used at all times. A CSI's job is to both accurately document and process the crime scene. Documenting the scene involves taking photographs of the crime scene, of exhibits, and taking notes. Documenting the crime scene will continue as they start to collect the evidence. As the crime scene is processed, the CSI has to be very conscious of environmental factors which may compromise the evidence. This is especially important in outside crime scenes, as factors such as rain, snow, and strong wind can mean the need to collect the evidence faster than normal or erect temporary structures to protect the evidence. The crime scene may also need to be protected if it's near a public area where the media or passers-by can see it. Time of day can also play a major role in how a crime scene is processed. In some instances, it may be advisable to preserve the scene until natural light is available. However, in many cases, temporary, high-powered lighting rigs and powerful torches can be used to process the scene.